Hi, this is my submission for the dynamic form builder. It's been a really tough challenge because of all the use cases that we have, but I tried to build something using Bootstrap. This is like the first time I'm doing such a huge thing, so it's really exciting. So for this challenge, I have used the ERD that they have given, installed the package, so I have all the object model, and I created a new app called Form Builder, and I have all these question groups, questions, form templates, request, and so if you these two are the Visual Force tabs. So if you click on either of the tabs, it's going to open up a Visual Force page from which you can basically go to anywhere in this form builder. Like you can view all the available form templates, you can view the submitted request, you can create a new form template. So you can basically do all those things from this page itself. So right now we are in the available form templates Visual Force page, and these are all the form templates. There are 4 form templates that we have. So when you click on the a template, it's gonna open up a form builder where you need to enter the details. Let me show you. Uh, Basically, it will submit the request. So you can see all these details that you have. It submits the request. So let me show you one thing. So I'll show you what I have for the form templates. These are the form templates that I have. If I use this one, it is having a sections. It has number of columns 2. It's active, and these are all the sections that we have. And every section has a question group attached to it. So you can see, if you view, all the sections are having question groups with a group name. And when you add a section in the form sections, you also give the sequence order in which the section needs to be displayed. So if you think the address information needs to be displayed on the top, you give the address sequence, and based on that the form is built. And every question group has list of grouped questions. Again, these questions are also ordered, and they have like required or not required on them. So that's how the sections logic is built. So when I open this template, and if the template is basically using the sections, it's gonna display all those sections like this, and then it's gonna display all the fields or the questions in the each and every section, like each and every question group. And if it is set as required, you can see this red color surrounding like the border. So that basically says that it is required. And this is, since this is the view from the administrator, if there are any default values, the values are not displayed. But if you open it from a portal user, the values are going to display. So I'm going to show you that in a while. But and you can click on the submitted requests, and you can see all these submitted requests, and it will show everything for the administrator. So you can see there are some that I have created, there are some the portal user has created, so it will show everything. And you can click on any of the submitted requests, and it's going to show you all the questions that are answered with the responses. So these are all the questions, and the responses that the user has given. So you can click on back, and it's going to come up. So that's the submitted request. So we have available form templates, submitted request, and the new form template. So what new form template does is you can create a new form, like, and you can say whether you want to add sections, active, number of columns 2. When you say sections, you have to add sections. So go to the sections, and you select what sections you need, and you just give the order. and you add sections and save template. So you can see that the section is added now, and when you click on this, it's gonna give you all the information, all the sections with all the questions in it. So that's how it works. So that's the new form template, and this one doesn't show up to the portal users because portal users cannot create the form templates. This is only for the admin user. And if you wanted to create a really a form template, a question group, you need to go to this one because that's not part of the requirements, and it's too beyond the requirements. So the question groups, you can see, you can just create question groups here, add the questions to the question group, and the question group shows up in that new form template uh, when you click on the new form template and when you add sections. So that's the administrator view. So let me go to the portal user view. So this is the portal user view, and you can see there are two tabs, form templates and form requests. When you click on the form templates, it's going to open up the similar form that you have seen on the admin side, but it has only three tabs on the top, you can see. And let's create the one just now. So when you click on that one, you see the address information auto populated. This is because of the default values. So you have default values, so it auto populates everything, emails, everything. So I already have the contact. So this is how it is auto populated. So let me show you something else. I wanted to show you one sections without sections. So okay, CS template, no groups. So this is the one without groups. So it has everything displayed in line, and it is having a one column. So there is only one column, and the instructions. So instructions is also a question of a type instruction, and all those questions are displayed over here. So I just wanted to show you a instruction question type. So where is instructions? There you go. You can see that this one is please make sure that to submit a great submission to Cloudspokes challenge, and that's what is being displayed over here. So if you have any other instructions, they'll be displayed over here. So you can even close it, but no. And this is a rich text area. You can change it to bold, italic. And this is a date time fields. So you can add date times. And submit it. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so when you submit it, you can see that there is an error because the annual income is a required field and I did not fill in the required field. So it is showing up the error like this. So you can try to resubmit it by selecting the required field. Actually, this is a good test. So it's done. So your request is submitted, and you can see that this is your request, and you can see all your submitted requests. So all the ones that you submitted are shown up over here, and this is the just one. So it has like a date and the time, and it has all the details about the request that you have submitted. So let's go back, and you can click on any of these tabs and navigate as well. And if you go to this view, you can see the request. You can see the request over here. So that's basically the UI part, and it is using the Bootstrap JS. So you can always customize it. It's easy. You can change the CSS file of the Bootstrap to meet your needs, and it is basically customized. And coming to the code part, I did a lot of coding, so I have created a lot of custom Visual Force components in the Visual Force pages. So I'll just put in the instructions of how the code is built into a Word document so that it's easy for you. I just don't want it to go over the code. But one thing I want to show is I have good test coverage as well. So I have almost almost 90 plus test coverage. So that's basically it. I hope you like my challenge, and just send me an email or shoot me a note if you have any other questions. Thank you. Bye bye.